All right. Hi, Professor Lee and Danny. This is Dora. I'm gonna show you in this short video of how I developed this little VR experience and how this works. So our general idea is to make a game. It's a really big idea, and I think it's a really good start to dream big. But in terms of developing it, we would like to start from um, a small part or a small experience. So in this experience, we're gonna have the player situated in a parking lot, in a motel parking lot with a weird man walking towards you. Let me show you the gameplay mode first to see how it works. Alright, so there it is. We have this man working toward me. But if I'm looking at somewhere else, he's gonna stand there. He's only gonna walk if I am looking at you, looking at him. Alright, he's standing again, and he's walking again, and he's standing again. Alright, and you can see the environment. We have a sun here. I set the time as kind of like 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. and I only have this big parking lot of a motel and a parking paying station. One car. Okay, so he's walking toward me, and at a certain point, he's gonna attack me. All right. Let me replay it again because I didn't do a loop of this game. I just it's kind of like a open-ended scene. So let's do it again. What we can do is, okay, he's walking now. He's walking slowly. So as you can see, this dot becomes bigger, and if I hit the mouse, if I click, he's gonna fall. Alright, and that's kind of what this project did, this mini digital demo did. So let's quit and let me go over what I have here. So I have a lot of asset. I developed it with Google VR, which is cardboard. I have the player here with the main camera. I have event system, controller main, which is the little dot in the center of my camera, and that I have the box, the character, and fuzzy red is the car. I think I have another. Yes, and I have Google VR editor emulator, which is how I show you with my mouse in the play mode. All those prefabs are how I developed the whole scene, and I would like to show you my script. Yes, I developed this character using using Unity. I think it's called Mechanium or Mechanium, and so it's basically the animator, and I have, oh, it's empathy. Oh yes, because I did. So I have the box, and I have all those parameters in the animator. I have four different state: idle, walk, attack, and die. And I have all those transition from one to another to have him transit from one state to another state. Um, Also, I have three scripts. One is chase. Let me see if my Visual Studio still works. I recently updated Unity, but unfortunately my Visual Studio doesn't work. Okay, it worked. I think it worked. Yes, great. Um, so in Chase script, I have the animator here, and I set an angle, y-axis minus 45, sorry, negative 45 to 45. So when the camera is turning around, if the angle was between minus 45 and 45 degrees, um, the uh, the character uh, will turn to me. So it's player's position, and then this thing, the character's position. So he's gonna turn to me, and he's gonna rotate, and he's gonna walk toward me. So if direction magnitude is larger than 3, he's gonna walk toward me. And the speed is 0.05, which I kind of tested many times to see if the animation and the speed can correlate well with each other. And then I have all those booleans, which is the parameters here, to make sure each transition will go in the correct time, in the correct under a correct um, situation. And the other one is defense. I use defense script to make sure that that our game engine is gonna get what is, let me see, is it here? Oh yeah, so I didn't use defend. I wrote it, but I didn't use that. Instead, I used event catcher here to catch the event of mouse clicking, or in Google Cardboard, that's the little tab there. When you click that tab, the engine is gonna get this motion, get this trigger, and set the animation of the character as dying. Alright. Anything else I did? I set all the animations of this. Yes, so the character was downloaded from Adobe Mixamo, and all other assets were downloaded from Unity Asset Store. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoy my game, little demo, and thank you for watching.